Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this delicious cow foot stew with some chickpeas or garbanzo, pumpkin, carrots, and potato. Delicious, delicious, delicious. You know, in my channel I speak with a broken English, but the recipe tastes delicious, delicious. I am inviting you to stay until the end so you could enjoy this ride to make this delicious stew. So here we have this cow feet, and we are going to boil them first with some garlic and bay leaf so it could have this nice flavor while it boils, because we're going to season it up later after it's already boiled. And here we have our feet already clean, and I already have a chicken cube, 2 bay leaf, and 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to add it in so it could boil. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot to put it to cook. And look, literally it's falling off the bones. Nice and soft. See how they're falling off the bones? It's already ready. I'm going to let it cool off so I can remove all of the grease that came out of it on top of the liquid. I typically like to put it in the refrigerator. I like to boil them at night before and then put it in the refrigerator so I can remove easily all the oil from the top, the fat that comes out. So I put it in the refrigerator, and I love when I do this because all I have to do is just remove what is yellow. Because whatever is crystallized, meaning that that's just the liquid, and this is just all the fat. That's a very easy way to do it. We're going to remove the fat, and then we're going to saute the vegetables, the fresh ingredients, and the seasoning with the tomato paste. And yeah, we're going to have a delicious plata de Vaca guisada, like we say in Spanish, and in English we say stew with some vegetables. And now, as you see, it's nice and clean and smooth. Of course, you're not going to get 100% of the fat because you still have the actual meat in there, and they still carry their own fat, but at least the one that came out of them while it was boiling is completely out. And this is how much fat I removed from it. And here we have the first ingredient that we're going to be adding. I have a little piece of pumpkin, 2 small celery, and 1 big potato. I also have chickpeas, red pepper, green pepper, white onion, and 2 stems of celery. And here we have the rest of the ingredient. I have a 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, half the same of paprika, adobo, a spoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon of garlic, 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of Dominican oregano, and a teaspoon of olive oil. And we are going to stir fry the peppers, the onions, and the celery. Now we're going to add the other vegetables. I added the chickpeas. Now we're going to add our cow foot. So all of that jelly that you see here is going to start melting with the heat. And we're going to let it boil until the potatoes and the carrots and the pumpkin are nice and tender. And then we serve and eat. So we're going to cover it and let it boil. Thank you for staying to the end to see today's recipe. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe as much as I have enjoyed making it for my family.